Hey everybody! So today I am making an anniversary frame for my husband, and I'm starting out with my crickets. So basically what I did was I printed out a heart that would fit on the back of the photo. Then I cut it to size. Um, so I had the general shape of the heart, and then I another heart to go around the front just to smooth it out a little bit. So I had a heart in a heart, and then I went ahead and put that on the front of the photo. I got some laminating paper, and I went ahead and laminated the heart with the photo in it inside this laminating sheet. Now I'm pouring my resin. So I have the small tongue mica in the color ruby red along with my Tea Expert resin, and I'm just mixing that up. That's the next day, and I have some gold flakes that I mixed into some clear resin. And I'm going to be adding those just into the heart portion of the frame. Now it's a few days later actually, and I'm just pouring some clear resin over the top with the picture in there. Okay, so I have my anniversary frame here, and I'm gonna demold this, and let's see how it came out. I know some of the coloring of the picture got a little off, but I don't think it's that noticeable. You still get the main point of the picture. Like, this is really, I'm gonna have to sand that down a little. But this really came out pretty in my opinion. And I think my husband's gonna love it. This is a picture that was taken on our wedding day. So I think he will like it. And then this is the stand. It just stands in there like that. So this is how it will look. It's kind of hard to get that on the camera, but that's how it will look when it's standing up. So I really like it. And I hope you do too. And thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe down below. Have a wonderful day, everybody.